Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country farmhouse inspired home decor ideas. Let's take a look. Creating a country farmhouse inspired home decor combines rustic charm with cozy comfort. Here are some key elements and ideas to help you achieve this timeless style. Natural materials. Incorporate reclaimed wood, wicker, stone and linen to create an earthy, lived-in feel. These materials bring warmth and texture to your interiors. Vintage and antique accents. Use antique furniture, weathered signs, and heirloom pieces to infuse character and history in your home. Cozy textiles. Layered throw blankets, plaid pillows, and jute rugs to add comfort and visual interest. Shiplap and wood paneling. Adding shiplap walls or wooden accent panels instantly adds rustic texture. Exposed brick. If possible, expose brick walls in kitchens and living rooms for an authentic farmhouse feel. Furniture and layout. Reclaimed wood. Use reclaimed or distressed wood for tables, benches, and shelves. Mix old and new. Pair vintage pieces with modern comfort. Example, a cozy modern sofa with a distressed wooden coffee table. Open shelving. Display dishes, jars, and antiques in open kitchen shelving for charm and practicality. Layer textures. Combine linen, burlap, wood, and cotton in pillows, drawers, and curtains. Plaid and floral patterns. Incorporate subtle checks, stripes, or soft florals to add cozy farmhouse warmth. Rugs. Use jute, braided, or vintage rugs to anchor spaces and add rustic texture. Decor and accessories. Greenery and florals. Place potted plants, dried flowers, and fresh blooms around the home. Vintage finds. Look for antique clocks, old signs, weathered baskets, or farm tools as accents. Metal accents. Old iron, galvanized metal, or copper items like lanterns, pitchers, or wall hooks add a rustic touch. Kitchen and dining tips. Farmhouse sink. A deep apron front sink is both practical and iconic for farmhouse kitchens. Mason jars. Use them for storage, drinking glasses, or even light fixtures. Rustic dining table. A long wooden table with mixed chairs invites family style meals. Lantern style fixtures use pendant lights, candelabras, or wall sconces that mimic vintage lanterns. Open basket storage. Open baskets for blankets, magazines, or toys. Rustic trays. Use wooden or metal trays to coral decor or serve food. Handmade crafts, crochet pillows, embroidered linens, or small DIY decor give a personal touch. Distressed and weathered pitches. Use furniture that looks slightly aged. Think tables, cabinets, or benches with chipped paint or rough edges. Slip-covered sofas and chairs. Light-colored, washable slip covers keep the living room cozy and practical. Functional furniture use storage ottomans, benches with hidden storage, and open shelving to keep spaces organized. Indoor plants, potted ferns, herbs, or small trees bring life to the decor. Natural elements incorporate stones, pine cones, or driftwood as subtle decor accents. Quilts and throws. Layer quilts, knitted blankets, and linen throws to create a soft, cozy bed. Rustic nightstands use vintage crates, small tables, or old dressers as bedside tables. Farmhouse sink. A classic apron front sink is iconic and practical. Mason jar storage. Store dry goods, spices, or even use them as drinking glasses. Rustic table decor. Wooden trays, metal candle holders, or simple ceramic vases create charm. Lanterns and pendant lights. Use rustic lanterns or vintage style pendant lights in kitchens and living areas. Candles. Add scented or unscented candles in plastic holders for a soft, inviting glow. Mixed textures. Combine linen, burlap, wool, cotton, and rattan for tactile interest. Handmade accents, crochet draws, embroidered pillow covers, or DIY wooden signs add personality. Seaboard or wainscoting adds texture and a vintage farmhouse look to hallways, bathrooms, or kitchens. Chalkboards and menu boards, perfect for kitchens, entryways, or mudrooms. You can leave messages, menus, or seasonal codes. Rustic shelving. Use reclaimed wood or distressed crates as shelves for decor or storage. Layered seating. Combine a sofa with armchairs, stools, or window seats to make the space inviting. Rustic coffee tables, wooden or metal tables with visible grain or texture work beautifully. Open pot racks. Hang your pots, pans, or vintage utensils for functional decor. Farmhouse table decor. Use wooden trays, mason chairs, or animal pictures as centerpieces. Vintage accessories, old skulls, bread boxes, or milk bottles add authenticity. Decorative mirrors, antique or distressed mirrors make rooms feel larger and brighter. Fresh herbs in the kitchen. Small potted herbs like rosemary, thyme, or basil add greenery and functionality. Candle and tea lights. Use candle clusters in rustic holders for soft, inviting light. Thanks for watching the video.